The first thing I'm going to do is set a base. Now you don't have to do this, you don't have to do this step. I like to do it to keep my eyeshadow on all day, and if you wear makeup on shift, this is a great tip. So you can use an eyeshadow primer, but I'm just going to use a concealer. This one's by e.l.f. It's the 16-hour camo concealer. And I'm just going to take a tiny bit on my eyes and blend it in. You can use your finger, or I have this little sponge. I'm just gonna blend it in. Bring it up to my brow bone. Just blend it in all over my eyelid, in the inner corner, and on the brow bone. Voila. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this color Less Is More, because this is going to be my base color. It might not be your base color, but this is going to be my base color. So this, I'm just gonna take my finger and just set that base with Less Is More. Just so you have a nice, even base on your eye. And voila. Okay, so for this super simple look, there are a lot of ways that you can do this with this eyeshadow palette. You can take any of these shades. You can take these two right here, and you can just blend that all over the lid for just a nice, pretty wash of sparkle. But I'm going to show you how to add some dimension to your eye. So I'm going to use the color Simplicity, and I'm going to take a brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this color in the crease of my eye, and with these windshield washer motions, I'm going to blend it in. Just take a little bit more. Now this is the perfect crease color for me. Yours might be Old Town. Whatever a good crease color is for you, just blend it in to the socket. And voila, you see I have a little bit of a contour going. So now I'm just going to take the color Old Town right here. Take a little bit of that on my brush, and I'm just going to take it and just blend it a little bit in to the crease, add a little bit more dimension. And I'm just going to tap off the excess on my brush and kind of clean it off. I don't really have anything to clean it off with, so I'm just using my hand. And I'm just going to blend it all in and make sure that there are no harsh edges here. Voila. And now to finish off the look, what I'm going to do is you can use either one of these colors right here, Beauty on the Water or Fresh and Clean. It depends on your skin tone, it depends on what color you like. One's a little more gold and one is more silvery champagne-y. But I'm going to take both because I don't want to pick one. And I'm just going to use my finger, and these are so pigmented and beautiful, and I'm just going to pat that on to my lid. And I'm going to take it all the way into the inner corner. So I have a little highlight up there. Do the other eye. And voila, that is that look. Oh, I got a little on my face. Oh, shoot. Especially when you're using your fingers, you have to be careful. So yeah, that is that first look. I'm going to add some mascara and then we'll be all set. I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, to keep this look simple, I'm just going to add some mascara. This is my really beat up Essence Lash Princess. I love this mascara so much. It's like $1. Okay. I'm just gonna coat my lashes. If you want, you can add some eyeliner, whatever your fancy is, but I just want to keep this one simple. This is my everyday look. So I'm going to just add that mascara, coat my lashes. You can't make a normal face when you're putting on mascara. Okay, yeah, that's the finished look. Super easy, couple steps. You can do any variation of that if you wanted. You could take these colors all over your lid. It's just a simple wash of a natural color. You could use these all over your lid. You could use this all over your lid. Anything like that pink would be beautiful with some mascara. Whatever you feel, whatever is best for you, whatever is best for your skin tone. But that is just an easy way to add some dimension to your eyes with this awesome palette and have a simple look throughout the day, whether you're going to the store and running errands, whether you have a shift and you like to wear makeup on your shift, whatever. Or this could be your fancy look. I just love this look. It's just a really simple way to spice up your eyes during the day. So now I'm going to teach you how to take this look from day to night with the Stockholm palette. I don't know what I want to do yet because there's so many fun colors in here. Okay, I think I'm going to do a smoky eye with a little pop of color. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to take the color Minimal right here. It's this matte black. I'm going to tap it's a little bit of more of a narrow brush. I'm going to tap it into the black color, tap off the excess, and I'm going to stay really close to my lash line, almost as if it's acting like an eyeliner. And then just coat my whole lash line there. Make sure you keep tapping off the excess so you don't get any on your cheeks. Yeah. If you want, you can even wet this brush a little bit to have a little more pigment on there. But this is pretty pigmented and really beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this. Yeah, so basically I'm just taking that black color and running it along the lash line here. And you can go out as far as you want. If you really want to have kind of a cat eye effect, you can go out pretty far like that. I'm going to do that. I'm just going to bring it into as far into the corner as you please, really. And if you have some eyeliner, you can always fill in the inner corner if you like a little bit of the black on the inner corner of your eye to add some definition. I'm going to do one more go around with it. Okay, now that we have that lining the eye, I'm going to take that same blender brush that we used the neutral colors on, and I'm going to take the color Simplicity again right here. And I'm going to blend out that black color with that. I'm going to take it and make sure there's no harsh lines. Just going to add circles. Just blending it in using circular motions to make sure that there's no harsh lines. You want to make sure, when I say no harsh lines, basically that there's no like weird transition between this like black color and my skin. So I just want to make sure everything looks seamless and blended out perfectly. And again, I'm taking it in a little. Okay. Oh, I love it. All right, so I'm going to clean off that brush again. I'm terrible. I need to get a towel, but I don't have one, so I'm just using my leggings. I'm going to take the color Green Capital. I'm just loving this color so much. You can use Swedish Night Train, which is that beautiful blue right here, or you can use the pink if pink would look good on you. I'm a little pale, so the pink looks like pink eye on me if I use too much of it. And if I use it underneath my eye like I'm going to, it would look beautiful all over my lid, but if I used it under my eye, I'd be like, oh no. So I'm going to use Green Capital. Tap off the excess, and we're going to look up and just shade this a little bit underneath my lash line. Now it's going to look intense at first, but we'll blend it out. Just add that pop of color underneath. And I like doing this because I don't really love using eyeliner on my waterline down there because it kind of closes up your eyes, but this is kind of a way to add some definition to your eyes without closing off the eye. Again, I'm going to take the same brush and I'm just going to blend that out so there's no harsh lines. Oh, I love this green color. If you have brown eyes, green is beautiful. If you have blue eyes, that blue would be absolutely gorgeous too. I love this so much. This is absolutely gorgeous. Okay. I want to go a little bit crazy. Okay, you can stop here. This is where you could stop if you want to just have that little bit of smoke and then the pop of color underneath. Go ahead, feel free to stop. This is a great way to have like a fun night out look. I love this. And then what I would suggest is just pop a little bit more of that glitter, freshen up the glitter on the inner corner and on the lid. But I want to go a little crazy. So I'm going to take more of that green color. Tap off some of the excess. I'm going to put it right on here. And I'm just going to pack it on the outer corner. Fill in where that black color was. Yeah, I love that so much. This is a really fun holiday look too. Again, I'm going to take that brush that I used to blend it out. I'm going to tap a little bit more of that blending color simplicity. And I'm just going to buff it out. Now I'm going to again take my finger. I'm just using my ring finger. I feel like I have the most control of that. And I'm going to take this gold color, Fresh and Clean. And I'm going to take a little bit of that Beauty in the Water too, just a tad. And I'm just going to pack that on my lid. Again, this can be done right over your day look too. You don't have to take all of your makeup off. You can just do it right over the look that you did before and just build on it. I love this. Oh, I love this so much. Okay. And one more time, I'm going to make sure everything's nice and blended. And just use circular motions, windshield wiper motions to blend out those edges. And I'm going to go in with one more coat of mascara just to add some more definition. You can also add some eyeliner if you like a little bit more smoke on the eyes. You can add a black eyeliner. You can add like a really dark green eyeliner. You can add a cat eye, whatever strikes your fancy, whatever you're doing, whatever you're going to, whatever color you're wearing. This is the finished look using the Take Me to Stockholm palette by Mavie Cosmetics. I love this palette so much. You're going to find it in your November NurseLuxe box. Ugh. Absolutely beautiful. There's a great variety of colors in here, some pops of color, some awesome wearable neutral colors that you could rock throughout the day. There are endless looks that you could wear in here, whether you're on shift or you're going out or going to a holiday party. This palette has you covered. We know you're going to love it and we hope you enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay sane, stay gorgeous, and keep on nursing. Bye.